enjoyed the street art workshop in Madrid because of the fact that it let us express our artistic side a little more, which we don't really get to express that often. It also pretty much inspired me to associate myself a little more with street art and all that kind of stuff, because when you see it outside, it's very cool and beautiful, but it takes a lot of hard work and it makes you appreciate the artist a lot more.
I enjoyed the street art workshop in Madrid very much. We came here with about 40 students. We were very well received. They all enjoyed themselves very, very much. The coordinators were very nice, and as you can see, it was a beautiful result.
If you are in Madrid with a group, you have to do the street art workshop. It's amazing how they get entertained by spraying with cans, and it's absolutely amazing. You have to do it.